What is going on, guys? Sam Text here today. I'm back with another video. In this video I have a bad news and a good news. The bad news is TikTok is going to ban on US. The good news is I have a method how to unban TikTok on US on your phone. It works 100%. If you want to know how to unban TikTok on your phone, stick around this video. So guys, TikTok is going to ban tomorrow, and it's still working, but it's gonna get banned tomorrow early. I don't know if it is in the morning. We don't know the exact time, but I'm gonna show you how to unban it. So guys, the first thing we have to do is just we have to go to your setting, and you're gonna scroll down, or you can search it up right there, and go to your general, scroll down, and you'll see language and region. Click that, and you'll see like 5 options right here. Just click the region right here. It says United States. Just click that, and you're gonna search up right here Canada. Right here, that's the only place not banned TikTok right there. It works 100% in Canada, and it works 100%. Just put that in Canada, and you should be able to see TikTok to get followers and still make TikTok. But because your region is set to Canada, they think you're in Canada, and they're not gonna ban it. And so guys, this is pretty much how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.